Hello everyone, Lily here, and in this video, I'm going to be helping you with how to fix blocked from posting on TikTok, as well as explaining what caused this issue in the first place. So I've got TikTok open here, and one point to remember is that whenever you're blocked from posting on TikTok, it's usually because you've broken some type of community guidelines. So I'll just guide you through the process and teach you how to appeal that and regain the right to post again. So, without further ado, let's get started right away. First of all, click the profile button on the bottom right side of the screen, and then the three lines just at the top of the screen here, and just go to your settings and privacy. And then scroll down a little bit, and then you'll see under support, this basically says, report a problem. Select that. And now on this page it provides you with all sorts of options, and under topics, you'll just want to press videos and sounds. And then you'll see an option called Posting Video. Simply press that. And then select Blocked from Posting. So generally, when you're blocked from posting on TikTok, it's just because you violated several community guidelines. If you believe you have never really violated any guidelines, or if you really want to explain away and state your argument as to why it may not have been a violation, all you should do is tap on No here, and then it will just say Need More Help. You should click on that. And now on, tell us your feedback. This is where you should type in the complete story of why you should be unblocked. Otherwise, you may have to wait until the algorithm automatically removes the block. This can take up to a week, and if it's a major issue, TikTok could indeed block your account for up to 30 days or even deactivate it entirely. Now, the safest option is to go in here and write the entire scenario, making your case for why you shouldn't be blocked, and then press report. You'll then receive a response from TikTok. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe.